There's never been a time in history that video is more important to build your brand. It's the easiest way to increase your brand awareness. Video marketing is super critical for websites, for social media. Here's the three most important things. Number one, when it comes to video marketing, you don't have to create anything new. You just have to document the journey. Just document what you are doing. Let a camera follow you. Use your own camera to record you. Whatever it is you're doing, just be you. Number two, you want to have value-driven content. You don't want to, if you're a sales guy, a girl, don't just sell through video. Offer value. Teach people things, invest in them, leave a legacy of your life, your knowledge, your wisdom, your understanding, your expertise, your experience, and help somebody with something. You could set people free by things you've overcome. You could teach people something that they need to help them with their budget, to help them buy a house. If you're a financial planner, you could give them 3 steps for this and 4 ways to do that. There are so many ways to offer value. Be a giver, not a taker. Be generous with what you've been given and give it away online through video. Guess what? You'll become the thought leader. You will become the influencer in somebody's life. You will become the resource if you're a real estate agent, if you teach people about the real estate process and stop just trying to sell something through your video as a real estate agent. The third thing is keep videos short and sweet. I mean, you know what Instagram has done? They've actually kind of capitalized on the fact that we only like 60-second videos, or we only engage videos for 60 seconds because a lot of us are like squirrels on crack and we're all over the place. Videos need to be at least 60 seconds, and Hollywood has capitalized on this, and they make trailers. They're about 2 minutes. I mean, that's really people's attention span. Now for longer videos, start a YouTube channel, and there's definitely a place for this. If you want to teach people 7 ways to break free financially, do that. But short and sweet, when you're on Facebook, especially on Instagram, keep them short and sweet and to the point.